In this video, we are going to work on chocolate dataset and use DAx function in Power BI to analyze sales, profit, and performance. If you're learning Power BI for a business or a data analyst role, this is exactly the kind of work you will be doing. By the end of the video, you will learn how to calculate total sales, profit margin, rank products, and even track performance over time using DAX. For the first, we will be seeing what type of dataset we have. So I have taken the dataset from kaggle.com. You can also download from here. It's free dataset, a chocolate sales dataset 2020-24, and you can download the CSV file from here. We have 5 tables currently: calendar, customer, product, sales, and store. So if you want to work along like in Power BI, you can download it from here and import in the Power BI desktop version. I have already imported the dataset. You can see over in your data, I have 5 tables: calendar, customer, product, sales, and store. So first we will see what we have in the dataset. We will go to transform data and see what are the values and columns we have in the dataset. The first table is the calendar table, in which we have columns like date, year, month, day, week, and day of week we have. Okay. Second table is of customers, in which we have the customer ID, which will be our primary key for the customers table, age, gender, loyalty member, and join date we have. Third table we have products, in which we have product ID again as primary key for products table, and product name, brand, category, cocoa present, and weight per gram. Fourth table we have sales, in which we have order ID, which will be our primary key for this sales table. We have order date, we have product ID from the products table, we have store ID from the stores table, customer ID from customer table, quantity, unit price, discount, revenue, cost, profit. We have all the columns available in the sales table. Last, we have the stores table, in which we have the store ID, store name, city, country, store type. We will check all the tables again. If there is any error or need to do the data type changes or header changes, we will make it. So all the tables are correct now. Now we will be moving, we will do the close and apply, and all the changes that we have made over there will be applied. The tabs that are available like home, insert, modeling, view, optimize, help, I have already discussed in my previous video. If you want to know about these tabs, you can go to the previous video and check it out. Now we will be creating the relationship between the tables. Because we have 5 tables, we need to create a relationship between them. We'll go to this model view tab, and we have like 5 tables. Power BI has a functionality in which they it already build a relationship between the tables. I will show you. I will remove the relationship first, delete it, and build it again. In the store table, we had seen that we have a primary key of store ID, and in the sales table also we have that store ID. See, in over here we have the store ID available. So, we will build a relation. We will drag it from here to here. We will create a relationship. We have like store ID and store ID both are available here over here. We have a one-to-many relationship over here, and it's single. Always keep remember that this checkbox is ticked. Make this relationship active. Otherwise, this relationship, if you have made also, then also it will not be active. Click on save. So from store to sales table, the relationship has been made. We will do same for the customer table and product table as well. So our relationship between all the tables has been made. Like the sales table is the main table that we have, and it's connecting the store, customer, and product table. Now we will go to the report view and build our DAX functions and our Power BI dashboard. Now we will go to the table view and we will start building our DAX functions. So we are at the sales table and we can see we have mostly all the columns available. We have the sales revenue table column is also available over here. And the first DAX function will be like the sum of our revenue, means sum of the sales we will be calculating. So we will go to new measure and write total sales is equals to the sum of our revenue from the sales table. So our first DAX function has been created. We can use it in the charts, or we can use it in as well in the uh, we can use it in as well in the cards. Like same way, we will be calculating the total quantity of it. Like from the sales table, we have the quantity, and we will be calculating the total quantity out of it. Again, go to a new measure, like total quantity sum the quantity of sales table. So we have created these two measures, total sales and total quantity. Next, we have the profit column we have, but we don't have the profit margin column. So we will be creating one. So we will again build one measure and we will build a profit margin percentage. So what's the formula for the profit margin percentage? We will be dividing profit by total sales. So we will use divide function and profit is sum profit, comma. We have already calculated the total sales. We will be using that only and enter. So our new measure again has been created, that is profit margin percentage. Now our next measure will be, we want to calculate the total sales in which we have the product category as, like we can select the product table and we have the category column over here. We can select any of the category and we will calculate the total sales out of it. Like we can take it as dark. So we will go to the sales table and new measure we will click and sales by dark category. We will calculate total sales, comma, in which we have the product category is equals to dark. So how we are using the product the product category in the sales table, because we have built a relationship in that one to many we have built the relationship. So that's why we are able to use the product category in the sales table and we will be able to calculate it. Click on enter. Another measure has been created. So now our next measure will be our previous year date sale. We had seen in the beginning that if we have the sales data of 2023-24, we will see what were the sales in 2023. Okay, so we will create a new measure and we will type previous year's sales over there. and calculate total sales, comma, same period last year we are taking. This is the inbuilt function, and we have the order date over here on enter. Now we will be able to see like what are our previous year's sales during the same period. Now we can also calculate the growth percentage from it. So we will divide the total sales minus previous year sales by previous year sales. So we'll go on new measure again, and growth percentage will be divide total sales minus previous year sales, comma, previous year sales. Our growth percentage has also been calculated. So we have built all the DAX functions that we have to. Okay. Now we will again go to our report view and start building our dashboard. So before we start building our dashboard, before we move to the dashboard version, please don't forget to subscribe this channel and like and share our videos. So this is our report view. First, we will like put this all the in the middle. We will go to format a report page, canvas setting, and vertical alignment as middle. So all the dotted lines are easily available, and we will be able to know how we are managing the space over there. Okay. Now we will build our first chart. We will build this line and clustered column chart. We will be taking the we will take from the products table. We will take the category in the x-axis and total sales that we had calculated in the y-axis. We will build our second chart. That will be our donut chart we will build. We will take from the customers table, we will take gender in the legend, and we will take total quantity, that measure we had created. So you can see 1 million is of female and 2 million is of male. Like similarly, now we will take line chart, and from the store table, we will take country, and see what is the growth percentage country by country wise. So you can see France is among the top countries in which growth percentage is 1%. Now, we will make these clustered bar chart in which we will see the brands that are there and which have the most profit margin percentage. Or we will take total sales we have. Okay. But right now, like we have built the four charts over here, but it's too cluttered, or like we can say it's not arranged properly and it's not looking like a proper dashboard. So what we will do, we will make one. We will reduce the size of all the charts over here. And firstly, we will increase the size of this canvas. We'll go to this type and custom it, increase the height to, let's say, 900 and width to 1400. Okay. So we have now have the enough space to build our dashboard. Okay, we will adjust it. Our charts has been adjusted now. We will build one header over here. We will go to insert, add text box, and we will write chocolate dataset dashboard. We will change the font to bold and increase the font size to 36. We'll make it center, and in the middle we will place it. Okay. Now, like we will insert one shape over here. We will insert the rectangle block and place it over here, in which we will be putting our filters over here. Okay. Or we can also put over here the cards that we will be building. Or let's just put the filters over here. Okay. We will add one slicer filters we have, and we will be adding over here, let's say category. Okay. Right now we have it in the, like, all the are available. We will go to slicer setting. It's right now in the vertical list. We will make it as drop down. And again, we will make another slicer. We will make it as of gender. Again, we will make it as drop down. Again, make another slicer. We'll like this. We will make 4 to 5 slicers that we need. We'll make it of brand also. We'll make of country. After making all these slicers, like we will adjust it. We'll make of store name, or let's say store type we can take as drop down. I think this much slicers are enough for this dashboard. We will adjust it now. Okay. So there is one option in Power BI. You can horizontally align all the slicers. You can select all these slicers and go to the format option and click on align and distribute horizontally. So it will distribute it in equal spaces over here. Okay. We will put it in the one side only. So that here we can place our cards as well. Okay. Now we will make one like card, and we will be displaying what is the, let's say, overall growth percentage. It's 1%. One means it's 100% growth we had from previous year. We will make another card in which we can place, let's say, total sales, which was 25.49 million. Okay. We have again the less space over here. We can increase the canvas height to 1000 and we can adjust it accordingly. We'll be adding more slices over here. So that's why I put it this like cards below that. We'll be adding more slicers. We will add the slicer of order date. So year wise also we can make it. So we can remove this slider from here. And one more slicer we will create, which will be of product name. We will convert it to the drop down list. We will again click all these slices and distribute it horizontally. Okay. So now it's like taking a shape of a dashboard. We will build more cards over here. We will take one more card and we will add what are the total quantity of it. Again, one more card and we will add what was the, let's say, we have already added, we have not added profit margin percentage. We can add it over here. Okay. So right now, like the structure of our dashboard has been created. We can make the changes in our charts and our cards, our filters, and make it more visually appealing. Okay. We can change the colors from here, like from view. We can change the theme of it. Like I will do it front here. So our theme has been totally changed now. It's looking more better. Okay. What we will do, the chocolate, like this text and this slicers has like very less gap. We will select all of it and we will push it downwards. Second. Now it's better. We can adjust it in the like now we can again select all these slicers and distribute it. Sometimes we have to do this again and again because to visually make it more visually appealing, we have to do it. Now it's looking good. We can make the changes in the slicers, sorry, cards. Can go to cards and border we have, like we can do the color as black. The call out values we have, we can make it as bold, black, and as a center alignment. Label, it's Verdana right now, we can make it semi bold and again it as black only. Yeah. For this also we can distribute it horizontally. Now we will make the changes in our charts. Can go to x-axis and same as bold, 11 or 10 value, 11 we can keep it as black. Title also bold as 12 and as black we have to keep. Y-axis we will again do the same, bold, 11, black. And display units we will be keeping it as none so that like decimal values will not be available over there. And grid lines also we will do it black. You can put the markers over here, show for all categories. And the shape we can keep it as the square and color in black. We can like toggle this on to data labels also. We want it. Data label values, we can change the font and size of it. Increase the font size and change the color to black. And here also we are like not doing the display units to none because it's in decimals. We can do it decimal places to only 2 decimal places we want. Or let's say 3. Okay. And in general category, we will make the changes in the title. We'll make it as bold and 14. We can keep it as 16 to black and center alignment. We can make a line over here so that it's divide. So divider we will take color as black. We have to keep all the things consistent only so it will look good. So our first chart things has been done. We can make the visual border also over here from general. Go to effects and visual border. We can on it. Color as black only. For this background, we can remove it. Or this also. All these background, we will remove it. Okay. So now what can we do? Like we have made the changes in this first chart. We can copy these changes and apply to all the charts. We can select it and click on Format Painter and click it over here. So the changes has been made here also. Again, from here to here. Changes has been made from here to here. Changes has been made. Okay. Like this, like it will be easy for us to make all the changes. We can expand it. It's not done. Like this, our dashboard has been created. Yeah, you can do all like more changes in it. You can create more pages from here. You can build more dashboards over here. From publish option, you can publish it to the desktop, like to the Power BI web version and share it to anyone. You can put the row level security over there. You can schedule the refresh if you are taking the data from like
SAP or MySQL or another database, you can schedule the refresh over there also. So that's all for this video. We have built our dashboard. We'll be seeing more Power BI and other MySQL videos in the upcoming videos.